Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the heart of cool Mandeville, Manchester. This stunning upscale property offers the epitome of luxurious living. It comes with 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and over 4,000 square feet of living space. The land area is approximately 0.37 acres. This home boasts a large kitchen with an island and separate sitting around counter, grand master suite with spa-like bath and private balcony, multiple living spaces with various areas for relaxation, entertainment, and socialization, yard paved with bricks with surrounding lawn grass, a modern country-style backyard with gazebo and kennel. There is a double carport and additional outdoor parking space. Its location is 5 minutes from the town center, which gives it convenient access to upscale shopping and dining. Schedule a viewing today to experience the ultimate luxurious living.
But wait, we almost forgot to tell you that this house was also recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 10 million or US $64.9 thousand.
Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487.2 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.